The procedure for contesting and appeal of the decision on application for asylum. The decision of the Office of Citizenship and Migration Affairs can be appealed free of charge before the Administrative District Court or contested at the Ministry of the Interior. Important: the application to the Administrative District Court must be submitted to the Office of Citizenship and Migration Affairs, which will forward it together with the documents in its possession to the court within 1 working day. If a person disagrees with the decision of the Office of the Citizenship and Migration Affairs, the decision can be appealed to the Administrative District Court within the following deadlines. Decision to send to another member state within 15 working days, but if a person has been detained, within 5 working days. Decision to leave the application without examination within 15 working days, but if a person has been detained, within 5 working days. Decision to discontinue examination of the application within 15 working days. Rejection to resume examination of the application within 15 working days. Extension of the application examination deadline within 1 month. Extension of the deadline for personal interview within 1 month. Rejection to grant the status of a refugee or alternative status within 1 month if the application is examined in the usual procedure, or within 15 days if it is examined in fast-track procedure. Decision on revocation or loss of refugee or alternative status within 1 month. Important: court decisions are final and cannot be appealed. If a person disagrees with the decision of the Office of Citizenship and Migration Affairs on rejection to grant financial support and daily allowance, rejection to pay one-time benefit after granting the status, then this decision can be contested within 1 month at the Ministry of the Interior of the Republic of Latvia. If a person disagrees with the decision of the Ministry of the Interior of the Republic of Latvia, it can be contested within 1 month before the Administrative Court. In this case, a person is entitled to the government-funded legal assistance. Free of charge legal assistance. If a person does not have sufficient financial resources, the government covers legal assistance expenses of one case for not more than 5 hours, attracting an interpreter if necessary. Procedure for applying for legal assistance free of charge. A filled-out questionnaire that can be found on the internet website of the Office of Citizenship and Migration Affairs should be submitted to apply for legal assistance. If the person has not been detained, the questionnaire should be submitted to the Office of Citizenship and Migration Affairs. If the person has been detained, it should be submitted to the State Border Guard. Final negative decision. If a decision has been made to reject the refugee or alternative status, a decree on the person leaving the country or a decision on deportation is issued. A time period of up to 30 days is given for voluntary departure from the country. If assistance is necessary in purchase of the tickets or covering other expenses, the person may turn to the Riga office of the International Organization for Migration with an application.